Hi, I'm John Gleason, and this is UDOT's weekly construction update. We're taking a break on most of our projects for the Pioneer Day weekend, but there are a few things starting up next week that you should know about. Near downtown Salt Lake City, the ramp from 500 South to I-15 and I-80, that will have lane restrictions in place on nights and weekends. You'll want to keep that in mind if you're heading downtown. Expect some delays getting onto the freeway and rethink your trip by using an alternate route like 1300 South or 600 North. This bridge maintenance project started back in March and should be done by early fall. Now, another bridge project close to downtown starts here Tuesday night on the 900 South on and off ramps. Ramps to and from I-15 at 900 South will close for just a little over a month so that workers can rebuild the bridges over 300 West. During this closure, you'll need to avoid 900 South and use the nearby exits, including 1300 or 2100 South. And in Utah County, construction has started to widen Redwood Road in Saratoga Springs. From 400 South to Lakeview Terrace Road, traffic is being shifted and lanes are narrowed, but no lane closures are expected during this work. The project is expected to finish up this fall. There's a lot happening on Redwood Road this summer, with projects planned or under construction in 3 different counties. For more information on these and all other UDOT construction projects, please visit our website at udottraffic.utah.gov, or you can download our free UDOT Traffic app.